Hi, my name's John Erickson, and I'm reading for the role of Jack.
Action. We're not open yet. Jack, you're back.
I am. I just got back into town and thought I'd drop by.
Wow, it's been...
Yeah, sorry. I fell off the radar there for a while. How are you? How's Hannah? Olivia, what's wrong? Olivia, I'm so sorry. I had no idea. I would have come sooner.
You couldn't have gotten here any sooner. It just happened. He was on the way to the cabin and he drove off the road. The police said he died instantly. It's so awful. But the worst part is, I don't even know how to feel about it.
What do you mean?
Ling and he was leaving me. And now, I don't know, I've been so angry at him and now he's gone and
How's Hannah handling it?
she blames me. Elaine liked to put it all on me like it was my fault. I don't know. Maybe she's right.
Don't talk like that. Maybe she'll come around.
She hasn't left the house. I barely see her.
Why don't you let her know I'm back? Maybe she'll come and see me.
Thanks, Jack. I appreciate that. So, where are you staying?
You still have that studio out back?
Come on. You can come in whenever you're ready.
Thanks, Olivia. You know, Hannah should come for a lesson. Learning to express her emotions through drawing and painting might be therapeutic for her. When my dad died, I didn't leave the studio for a month. It's the only thing that helped me move forward.
I remember it was such a hard time. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll call you to set something up.
It looks great. When's the opening?
It was supposed to be next week, but now it will be a couple of weeks.
You know, I've been working on some new pieces. If you have any room?
I love to feature your work, Jack. You were the first artist to believe in this place. Good morning.
Hey, does this look straight?
Yes, perfectly straight, but it's upside down.
God.
Why are you hanging paintings?
I noticed you could use a little help around here.
And you're procrastinating on your own work?
I picked up a brush and suddenly I felt like a fraud.
Well, you can tell which side of the painting is up, so...
In my defense, there's really no way to tell.
Well, I appreciate the help.
We'll get the gallery ready. So what happened yesterday? Is Hannah okay?
Yeah, she's fine. Sorry about that. She just hasn't been herself since, everything. You mind if I check on her?
Not at all. Anything?
No, she's at that age where I don't know if there's no signal or if she's just ignoring me. Hey, I was thinking, the piece you painted for me would be great for the show. Not to sell, obviously, but...
I don't have it.
What? Where is it?
I sold it. It was just too many bad memories.
Probably a good thing.
Come on, let's get this painting right side up.